right behind me is one of the best kept secrets coming not just to North Scottsdale, but to Phoenix. I'm gonna give you the inside scoop. So what you're looking at behind me is the front of Haven. This is a brand new construction community coming to North Scottsdale. I'm gonna tell you everything that you can't find using ChatGPT. So it's a 52 home site community. There's gonna be 32 estate plans and 20 villas, and they're gonna be ranging from 4,000 to 7,000 square feet. But here's what you can't find on the internet is the vibe out here. This is unlike anything else in the entire state, right? You're in a private upscale area, walking distance to parks, both public schools, private schools, restaurants, amenities, community centers, gyms, and back here it feels like you're tucked away. Not only that, this community has a 24-hour guard gate, very high-end upscale community facilities as well. So if you're looking for that upscale vibe that is relatively safe, family friendly, in a great location where you kind of feel tucked away, you've got spectacular mountain views, but you don't want to be too far away. For example, this is basically a 1 to 2 minute drive to the 101, then this is the location for you. Now, we can bring you the insider scoop. We can get you first access to see these properties when they're available, get pricing sheets, and get anything you need to make this new community your next home. All you have to do is reach out, call, text, email. My information is here on the video, or drop me a comment if you're watching this on social media. I would love for you to make Haven your next home. And if you're referencing this, this is going to feel just like the homes in DC Ranch community or Silver Lake. We're right in that same area. And if you know those areas, you know there is nothing better. Let's go check them out.